Reliability in a chemical metering pump is critical, especially when you're dosing chemicals that off-gas, like sodium hypochlorite or peracetic acid. And when vapor lock occurs or a pump failure happens, it can disrupt disinfection, which can lead to unplanned downtime and put the communities you serve at risk. And that's why we designed a pump that solves these challenges. Meet the enhanced MD1 multi-diaphragm metering pump. The MD1 delivers smooth chemical feed, reduces pulsations, and minimizes the risk of vapor lock. And it's powered by our patented Hyperdrive multi-diaphragm technology. The MD1 utilizes 2 diaphragms operating in a separate phase from one another. The combined dual diaphragm with the Hyperdrive technology results in a high pressure capability with chemical feed characteristics similar to a peristaltic metering pump, without the need to replace a tube. The MD1 can achieve flow rates of 0.0007 to 7 gallons per hour, pressures up to 180 psi, which is a 20% increase over previous models, and a turndown ratio of 10,000 to 1. The MD1 features our exclusive DiaFlex and Flex-A-Prene diaphragms. So now you can select the diaphragm that best fits your application for ideal chemical resistance. The DiaFlex is ideal for strong mineral acids, oxidizers, and organic acids. And the Flex-A-Prene is ideal for a wide range of moderate acids, bases, and caustics. Both diaphragm options are covered under the pump's full 5-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. The MD1's manifold design offers multiple configurations, allowing you to position the suction and discharge ports either on the left or the right side of the pump. The MD1 features an intuitive interface that simplifies setup and operation. The digital display allows for quick adjustments of the output, priming, and control modes. These controls provide precise, repeatable output adjustments for maximum dosing accuracy. And an included heavy-duty, UV-protected display shield keeps the controls safe from UV rays and harsh environments. The MD1 is available in 2 configurations. The MD1B for base model is a cost-effective manual version offering the same high-performance pump but without the added I/O for external communications. The MD1C control model offers intuitive controls along with I/O for external communications, allowing for automated process control. The MD1C control model offers comprehensive connectivity for integration with SCADA and plant automation systems. The 3 inputs include a 4 to 20 milliamp input signal, a remote start-stop via external switch, and a flow verification through our MS6 or microflow sensors. The 3 outputs include a motor on-off relay, an alarm relay, and a 4 to 20 milliamp output signal for monitoring output. All I/O connections use IP67 rated M12 connectors for reliable, field-ready wiring. The MD1 includes an injection fitting with a built-in check valve, a suction foot valve with a built-in strainer and a ceramic weight, a wall mount bracket, and a hardware kit for mounting the pump. It also offers a UV display shield. The MD1 is supported by a complete range of blue-white accessories that make setup, maintenance, and operation effortless. Some of our available accessories are an elbow adapter kit for compact installations, quick disconnect kits for rapid maintenance, M12 communication cables for remote control and monitoring, our Star 3 chemical tanks for safe storage of your chemicals, and a wall mount bracket for ergonomic installations. These accessories make the MD1 a true plug-and-play solution for any municipal application. We designed the MD1 with the operator in mind. Up to 7 gallons per hour at 180 psi with a 10,000 to 1 turndown ratio. Smooth chemical feed with our patented Hyperdrive technology. It's all covered by our 5-year warranty and a Blue White lifetime support commitment. If you're looking for smooth, reliable chemical feed, the MD1 delivers. At Blue White, we're simplifying chemical feed and fluid measurement through innovation. And for more information, please visit us at blue-white.com.